Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and we are here once more. We are here in Enugu State to show you any development that is just happening over there. Believe me, the way things are moving in Enugu State is unbelievable. Believe me. So for over a week, I've been busy talking about Enugu State, and each time I wake up, I find a new news, and it keeps on popping up every day by day. And today is not an exception, because today what we have for you is from Enugu State International Hospital, which is this hospital you are looking at, because new expatriates have arrived to Enugu State, and the reason of their coming is a mind-blowing one. They have arrived to fit or to fix all the machines that we talked about yesterday. If you have been following my channel, you must have known that we talked about so many packages landed at Enugu State International Hospitals. Some of them were opened yesterday, some were still locked, and we could not find out what's inside the box. Now, today, the main people who are in charge of the hospital, I mean, the expatriates, they have landed, and they have started fitting it. And believe me, it's beautiful to watch. It's just beautiful to watch, So that is the reason we brought you today. And also about what is going on around the hospital. We are going to talk about other things that are happening inside the hospital, apart from them getting everything fitted, because this hospital, believe me, is going to be one of the best hospitals in Africa entirely. Believe me, based on what I am seeing inside, it is not looking like hospital to me. This is looking like a hotel, like a nice place for you to go and enjoy. If this place is rated as hotel, many people like to sleep here because the place is very clean, beautiful, organized, and unbelievable. This is very beautiful. So, and based on how everything is going, I have promised that I'll be coming to give you an update. And since they have started removing stuffs and getting it fitted, we will see how it works. And it is now that I understood the reason why they have not put the door yet, because all this load have to go inside first. They get everything fitted, then doors will be the last thing. Otherwise, some of this load may not even enter because the doors have been fitted. Okay, and another one, the door also may have a scratch while offloading and loading and packing and all those things. Now I understood the reason why some windows have been fitted and everything. Okay, so we are going to go around the hospital and you'll see how everything is going. Believe me, I never in my life expected that such a beautiful hospital will be in Nigeria, but all of a sudden we see it in Igbo land. Glory be to God, and for sending a good governor who took everything upon himself to make sure that everything he's delivering is futuristic and beautiful. So, and this hospital happened to be one, if you can remember, the governor. And I'm going to talk about this also, because cable car, somebody went to the site where they are building cable cars and the zip line. I am coming to give you an update about that, because if you remember, Enugu State now is going to focus on tourism, making sure that many people who are visiting Enugu State have access to go to the pine forest and waterfalls around Enugu State. If you don't know, Enugu State has best waterfall in Africa, maybe 8 or 9 waterfalls. What I mean is a cave like this, not ordinary waterfall. I mean, this is a cave deep under the water. No matter how you shout here, somebody outside will never hear you. They have it enough, and they are not located in one place. And this is the reason Governor of Enugu State procured buses. Also he procured another bus, which is known as Tech Bus, that will be taking people from Enugu Center to the locations. So he's very, very prepared, and he started by launching an airline. Believe me, this governor is a very, very good blessing for Nigeria and Enugu State in particular. The way Enugu State has been looking like since governor came into power is been amazing. It's been amazing. Today we are talking about hospital, but tomorrow we will also talk about other things, because the governor is generally good in everything. We are not forgetting New Enugu Smart City, which governor is building these 2 towers. Within 4 years, towers like this will be at Enugu Smart City, and land and everything is going on there. People are buying land and so on and so forth. Now, but that is not the reason I'm here anyway. The reason I'm here is because of this load that we are seeing on ground here. So we want to see everything that is there, and right now the expatriates have arrived and they are getting it fitted. Some of them are being fitted at the wall, like this one, which I don't know what it is. What is this? I don't know, but this one is on the wall. And this is for the checkup and so on and so forth. Please, I'm not a doctor. This one, if not because I know this place is hospital, I will say I know this one, but not for what I know it for, because this is for the gymnastics, for the gym. But I don't think they are using it here. Maybe it is for gym, for training. It is possible. This is hospital. Yeah. They may tell you to do some kind of training here, but we will check and see. I don't know whether I was going to have gym, but that's a possibility. Okay, this one, of course, this is the main one. See where they are fitting everything. This machine has to be fitted into the ceiling before they put the ceiling. You see, this one had to be fitted into the ceiling directly. The ceiling carries the weight of this machine. And this machine has a vent, which is a pipe that blow air. This will suck, this pipe you see here, will suck the air out so that whatever they are doing here will not be smelling. Aha. And then this machine, maybe this machine is either for operation, or another one it could be is for dentist. Dentist, if you go to wash your teeth, this is how they do it, and something is sucking all the water off. But I can recognize this one that looks like a curve. Under this pink nylon, there is a machine there that look L form or C form. Over there, they are all going to be fitted. I believe this one, this L form is going to be fitted here. It's going to be fitted here. And everybody is taking a look while this man who is here, what is he fitting? He has a bag here under his leg with somebody holding an escalator to make sure that he doesn't fall. With his hand is a camera, and other people are looking with some stuff and so on and so forth. Wow. So on getting here, another expatriate, this one looked like an electrician. But why is he carrying this thing they use to lift glass? You see this thing you see here is what they use to lift a glass. They click it and they lift it through this thing with his telephone and the key with water. I don't know what I do. This is water. Then big machine here. And this man, Alvo Medica. Okay. Alvo Medica. This one is an electrician. He gets the wire fitted to where he wants it to. Wow. This means that Enugu State Governor is not joking. And if you come here, time has started running. 17:08:09. This is by 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock. And you see some ceilings being removed. I think here had been completed. Then they had to remove it in order to get this machine fitted here. Okay. And this machine has light and everything with the camera and so on and so forth. Man, doctors that are going to work here, they are actually going to enjoy life. Believe me, working here is like being at home, man. I'm telling you, you have everything nearby. Being a doctor is way to work. The only thing is that you also see unbelievable things every day. You know, you see people losing their life. You know, that is another thing. But apart from that, is a very, very beautiful thing. And here are clothes that have arrived, including a fan. This one I can afford it. Why did they import this one? I can afford this one. Please, don't import one. Please, please, please. I can do that for you. Then over here, I don't know what this machine here is all about. Okay, but we are taking, a look. They say looking is free, and here has already gotten its counter. Here is being demarcated. You see socket here? You see another socket here? Okay, this room is demarcated into two. It's demarcated into two. This is a big room, a very, very mighty room, and you see how careful they are. That they put cartons on the floor. Why? Because this ground has already gotten its treatment. Treatment, I mean, is that it has already been tiled. So for construction workers not to disturb the tiling, then they had to be following where the carton is. This is a very, very careful way of being careful. Well, we have seen everything about it, and we don't want to waste time. But this is not the only thing that is happening at the place, because something else happened at the place. Now, if you check, this is the building of Enugu International Hospital as of 29/04/2026. So, which is yesterday. And it is not up to 24 hours from the time I recorded this video. Today is started 04/2026 by 1 p.m. Now, but there is something that I don't like about this international hospital. I'm not criticizing it, but I'm just giving my own point of view. And what is that? If you remember, I used to complain that Enugu houses are blue. I mean green. That green is bringing the quality of any building down. Enugu State is the only state that paints their building green. No area you paint your house green. This is Enugu Secretariat. See green. Imagine if this had been another color. It would have looked better. See the same Enugu Secretariat. Who select green for Enugu State, for God's sake? I don't know. Now, because this thing I'm talking about is going to be connected to what I am going to say about this hospital, which I don't like. See, Enugu Secretariat again, Enugu Government House, green. Why green? Using green to spoil buildings. See, green. Why using green? This green is clean Enugu State. Enugu State don't know about it. May somebody tell governor, please, don't be using green to be spoiling some buildings. When did they make a vote that building in Enugu State must be green? Who voted? And who chose this? And what knowledge does that person has on painting? Not knowing that this is what is drawing some people backward. Bad choice sometimes can kill good work. I mean it. Painting can kill a beautiful building. And that is exactly what I found out. Now, what I have to talk today will be connected to this new Enugu, will be connected to here because something is about to be happening. And that thing is going to destroy this building. All the beauty of this building will be gone within 2 months. Go and unless if this thing I'm talking about is being taken care of. Otherwise, you will see it. Very soon people will not be talking about this international airport the way they are talking about it. Why? Because Enugu State is about to paint it green. Now, and I have gone to check other hospital that governor built within this time to see and other things that he had built also. This is Enugu State Command and Control Center. Green. It was built newly. This is a new building. They use green to spoil it. If they don't know which color, let them contact me. A good color will change this building and it will look very futuristic. Coloring alone. See, they paint it green and they use a tile to tile here. The thing look like a village, but if you go inside this building, what is inside is marvelous. But the finisher is supposed to be, if he's a child, he's supposed to be king. Who built a beautiful building like this? This is CCTV control room. If I tell you what is inside, you will not believe it. How would you do the control room? Tile it this way? Even my father will do better than this. And then, after tiling, you use green design and white some certain places, or ivory. This color is known as ivory, not white, but you know what I mean. And you use ivory color by the left and right, and the green spoil everything. A good artist will come. What will be here will be different thing. Why putting flutter here? Why putting green? That you love Nigeria so much that green, white, and green, then you are unbelievable in your building. I believe that no content creator talked about this building because of how ugly it looks. Now, but Enugu State happened to do another mistake again. This building, if you check, is known as Enugu State Teaching Hospital. It is a new building. This building is not up to 5 months that it's finished. No, it's finished. This last month, they launched it. A very beautiful building. Enugu State put it clean. No content is a very nice house. I will show you how beautiful the house is. And I will show you what happened there. This is the house. You see how beautiful it is? No content creator showed this. Why? How would you use this to spoil your channel? Bad choice of painting. Which kind of green? Have you seen any building painted this way enough in the world? In Europe? Green is made for farmhouse. And that farmhouse even, they only use green for the doors. Because green kill your spirit. Green is not good for tourism. It's not good for happiness. Green, no, it's not something that is good for happiness. Once you have white and they begin to add green and all those things, especially in the building, okay? But when you talk about other things, maybe green might be good, but when it comes to what green identify in a house is farm, calmness, and sorrow. That is how I see it. Like, if you are gra, you see green, you feel like crying. That is how it is. That's how you feel. It's not like other color like black and white or yellow and all those things that make you to feel. Go to all the countries that they are going for holidays. See how they paint their house. Ivory colors, black, contemporary, ash colors. Red has to be very, very harsh. And that red has to be for specific reason. Either for this emergency you see here, or for where children play. But painting your house green is the most useless thing. Now, but I did not know that what I was saying about this green actually also affected this building. Because, check this building. This building is, I said the name is Enugu State Teaching Hospital. It is new building. Now, if you check, see what they wrote here, that Enugu State, this is AMP News. If you Google this or take this camera, picture this, then computer will tell you the newspaper that published it. Enugu's healthcare reality between world class promises and ground truth. Now, what happened is that, look, let's read about the news and I'll tell you what the news is saying. The news which I'm reading is over here. You may not see it very clearly, but I'm assuming it. So let's read it together. You see what happened and what I'm saying. But at the beginning of the news, you may not see it. but use your brain, okay? Just a few days ago, the Enugu State Governor invited a group of local content creators on a guided tour of what has been described as a world-class hospital newly built in Enugu. The intention was clear: showcase progress, highlighting development, and reassure citizens that the healthcare sector is being transformed. However, they begin to talk about other things, but let's stop here because I read everything. You can go and read it on the newspaper. Nobody talked about this hospital. You see this hospital, you see? People started talking about it when it was coming up, when the building was coming up, including me. I saw it from above and I was saying whether this thing is a hospital or no, whether this thing is a hotel and all those things. But the day I saw it, that it's being completed and painted green, and they opened it, I did not talk about it because this looked like another building. Now, for Enugu State to advertise this building, they had to invite content creators to come and watch so that they can publish it on YouTube. Why? Nobody. I cannot publish this thing on my channel and be talking about it and say, see new building, Enugu State build. Ooh, very beautiful, emergency. No, it is not beautiful because of the color. The color has already killed everything. Even my own emotion, I cannot praise it. I mean what I'm telling you. My own emotion, it is like I'm deceiving myself. Now, let's go back to why I say this. Then, let's go. When the prototype of Enugu International Hospital, which is this hospital you see, when the prototype came up, that was about 16 or 17 years. So this hospital, when the prototype came up, the prototype was actually looking like this, blue for the roof, okay? And then everything is the same as it is today, except that the blue color, we have not seen it again, so the blue color is disappeared. So based on what I see going on the building, everything is like this. We have seen this thing, okay? On the building, everything is the same. So what I have here is not AI generated. Of course, it could be the architect might have used AI to generate it, but what I have here is what Peter has on his channel. So this is not generated by me or no. This is the prototype which Enugu State used to build this hospital. This hospital you are seeing here. That is the prototype they follow. Now, but yesterday something happened. I made a video yesterday and I was praising Enugu State that the best thing that they would do is please, don't paint this building, this beautiful house blue or green. The worst will be even green. And below and behold, yesterday somebody started painting it green. Okay, let's go and take a look. It's not believable, I don't know. Oh my goodness, these people don't know about painting, Now, let's go. So you see, you will not see it very clearly here, but this is it. Now, the person you are seeing here is a painter. Okay, this man is a painter. I think he went to change the brush and he is now coming back to start painting. And what is he painting? Well, he's coming here. You see this place, you see? This is a pillar. Now, he is starting to paint this place green. And we are going to see the video and you see how it is, because I don't know how everything captured the first day at his work or the first 5 minutes of his work, Now, then this pole you see here was not green before. He started painting here. Within 2 days, all these places will be painted green. Okay, so let's go and check old image of this place before this guy started painting it green. I believe it could be here. Yeah, see the pillar here, see the pole here. It was white. Okay, now the guy is painting it. Where is the image where he's painting it green, man? Now it's being painted green. Wow, this is unbelievable. Okay, and this painting will continue here. We'll 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 continue here. And the green is going to take over from the blue. Okay. So meaning that you will have to expect Enugu State Teaching International Hospital, the outside, to look this way, or to look this way, or to look this way, very very soon. Okay, or to look like this, or to look like this again. Unbelievable. How would you be doing a good work and be spoiling it with the green? Okay, it's unbelievable. To look this way, that's unbelievable. Okay, so this is the reason I say that no, somebody should tell these people to match break. Green is not a color that you will use to identify yourself. Which kind of identity is green? To show it doesn't make sense. Even if you cultivate food, you should not be painting everything green. Then go and paint this tower green. Nobody will enter it. It's unbelievable. And one thing is that I don't know who is giving them this advice, and that person knows where to give advice. Because some of other things the person refused to give. Why not painting international hotel? Presidential hotel green. Go if you paint this presidential hotel green, within 2 months people will stop entering it. Just for you to see the effect of that choice. People love this hotel because of the ivory color with ash and black. Whoever came up with this design supposed to be giving a handshake. If you carry green, go to the edge of this hotel, paint it. Go the other side, give 3 lines or 4 lines, or paint everything even green. you will see the effect of what I'm talking about. Artwork is not an easy something, but it's easy for people who understand it. Whoever came up with this painting supposed to be given a handshake. Supposed to be given a handshake. How would you be having developing your building and be spoiling it with the green? You see what I mean? I think this is the control room, right? Maybe this is the entrance. See the pool. Why green? You and who are you dragging green with? Tell me. And whoever selected this color also is a village person. Because see, tile that Ajigule people use for their house is what government building is. Man, all this person that is selecting green is the same person that is selecting this tile, floor tile. Government house. In my village, people ban this thing because it make everywhere ugly. Then if in this one come, apart from selecting tile, he come, the pillar, design, green. What a shit, man. Wow, it's unbelievable. See building now, see new building now. Carry green, make two line here. All the shine here will die. It will die. Or change this ash color, gray color with green. You will see the effect of what I'm talking about negatively. People should match break. No state should be identified by a color. And you'll be using that color as a pride. And we agree. You are who are dragging green. Are you the green maker? Ha, unbelievable. And you'll be using it to spoil things and people is not telling them to match break. That is not good. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. Of course, you can use green at your roundabout. Or maybe somewhere like that. Flag, beautiful. But house? Or let's even imagine. Is it because of love for Nigeria flag, which is a very beautiful flag anyway? Other countries have flags. Germany have flags. They are not painting all their houses black and red and yellow. For you to see a yellow house in Germany, it will take you years. Including black, it will take you years. How would you just come and drag green? Enugu State is green state. You begin to paint all your house green. You can use it for your flag. That's not for building. And now that important building, futuristic buildings are coming up, you are spoiling it with this architect, which I don't know who he is, that is suggesting this thing, is killing the heart of people who want to promote Enugu State. And based on what I have shown to you, you know that the color of this international hospital is coming up to be a green. It's unimaginable. So, but in any way, whether it is green or not green, the most important thing is to build a building and have the workers to be working there and enjoying their life. Of course, whether it is green or not green, the building will still not look ugly because it is being completed, and I don't believe they are going to paint the whole wall green as well. Okay, so there are some places that will be black and some places that will be white, but that green will have a little bit negative effect for the color, but that is not going to stop people from visiting the place. So also we should wait and see to see whether the green will be better than the ivory color and this futuristic color it has. You know, we never know. So sometimes you talk about something and that thing will come up to defeat you. Okay, that is the reason they say nobody's God. You never know until it is done. But based on what is happening around the world now, that we have computers. Not only computer, internet. We have what is known as AI. AI will build this house before you finish it. You see, with your imagination, you describe AI, this house, painted green, one part, and the other part looking like this, and you can compare it before you begin the painting. And even without being told, if I paint this house, the upper side green, and the downside to remain as it is, the beauty and the emotion will go down, bam, more than 70%. More than 70%. The happiness, the way we showcase this hospital will reduce. Green brings your emotion down. You know there is emotion for holiday, for party, for joy, for green brings it down. That is what it is. Green is farmhouse, where you go, you farm, and that kind of environment. You know, farmhouse, imagine, that is how it is. You begin to imagine a fowl, cock, and all those things, leaves, orange, banana, which kind of, no happiness there. Sorrow somehow mixed with sorrow and, past. Everything about color has effect. The reason I say this is that some of you don't know, I know much about artwork and building. And when it comes to painting, and Enugu State is making a mistake, because what we see here is going to be unbelievable. And one thing that I don't understand about it is that, look, see what is going to happen there. Let me go to the landscape and I'll show you something. Now, this, if they paint it green at the up, this will be the only building with green design around this place. Remember, this building is not going to be green. It's going to be black, brown, and ivory. Ivory is like white. Okay, this building. Now, what is the reason of painting this place green? Let me go to the image where they have started painting. What is the reason? No other building is green here. It's not that it is matching other building. No, it's not like that. See the pillar, it has been started. Now, let's go to the video, because the reason I say this, I'm very, very sure that somebody's working there, is that the commissioner actually released the video of this image, and I saw it and I say, oh my goodness. Let's go to the video and I show you this guy that is working there. When that he has started painting here, and apart from there, also a painter is also painting over here. Painters are there now. They are all painting the places in different places based on their own portion. So the guy I showed you earlier, his portion is to start from this pillar. So let's go and I show you the guy painting the place green. I will be back. I don't know whether I can see the green. As the image is moving, the green is still where it is. This was released by the commissioner. So this image is not, it shows that, and this was recorded on 29/04/2026. That's why I say that within a very short time, the hospital will have a green design. Okay, so then what we will do, especially with that like infrastructure and good development, is to pray that they don't paint photo arena green. So they should not paint photo arena green, okay? So at least that one, unbelievable. So that is what it is. And also we should be prayerful to make sure that even if they paint it green, let it not be maybe as negative as we thought, because sometimes we may think that something will go bad and it will be the best result so far, okay? But also, they are painting it green could mean to win another Enugu State green, is a modern green state, you know. If it is that, please, let them take the award and carry it to Abuja and take it, give it to Tinubu back. We don't need a green award for you to be painting your house green, okay? If you are taking because of 100 million to win every year because of green, no. Take that green back, okay? We have green in Enugu, we like it. A-line is good, but not house. Imagine, if even Lagos don't paint their house green, then Igbo land will come to. But I'm not talking about the green by the flag. No, green by the meaning of the color, and the motivation of green is zero. It doesn't give you any motivation. I mean what I'm telling you. When you talk about artwork, before you see green standing alone in any painting, can you do a painting with white and green alone? Nobody will buy that painting. You can do painting with white and black, even white and yellow, black and red, white and so, but you cannot do any painting with something with green. Even yellow and green, white and green, nobody will buy it. It will kill the emotion. I know what I'm talking about. Enugu State has everything, but there are someone who is selecting kind of painting that is making a big mistake. Why there is another one that is a bit professional? It's like you have the lowest person and the best person. Sometimes you give work to the best, sometimes you give best work to the lowest. I know that there is no way the architect who selected this painting, no way in this history, the same architect will select this painting. It doesn't make sense. No way. You will go from best even to win award. This building alone could be the most beautiful building in Nigeria, clearly. But the fact I mean is the way they write hotel residential. The kind of logo even they created for the hotel residential, simple and correct. The matching and everything. You come up and 2 months later, you launch another building that look like, I cannot build this house for my mother. I mean, I can build a house like this, but it can never have this style. If I arrive at the time, I will scratch it off, change it. This pillar, you change the color. The building, the same. Very simple to understand. An individual like me. So there are 2 people that are working in Enugu State. One is very, 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 very good. Very, very good, professional. While the other one is a village man who had been in office for years. He must have served as commissioner in 1860. And they still give him work. He is the type that is bringing this one. You see this one? He is the type. And check his house, the house he developed. They are all one-story building. So meaning that the man is old and they are giving him not very big contract. And even that little one, he's spoiling it. Unbelievable. The same unbelievable. See the difference. Will somebody who designed this be the same person who designed this? Impossible. But that same person is, you see this person who designed this, is the person who brought idea of painting this secretariat green. This thing did not start today. It started 1880. And that person, they should stop that person before he used his ideology of before the war to spoil investment that is made for generation after him. He is not the one that is going to enjoy the hospital. He's not the one that are going to enjoy all these things. They are his people, not him. His idea should not be killing investment that people made for the young generation. See the kind design people design. See how you use grid finish everything. Impossible. This is unbelievable. So, and by seeing how Enugu State and Enugu State governor is trying, somebody using green to kill this thing is it's not good at all. It's not good at all. I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy, because I like to see something that is good. Even if it is not 100%, let it not be only 20% good. Because paint, it can bring building down. And if you doubt me, carry black color. Paint this building all black. You see this building? Just carry black. Paint everything black. You will see that everywhere will be killed. Or this painter that is painting this one green, carry your color, paint everything green. Just tomorrow wake up, everything is green. You see that good painting can elevate building. Bad choice of painting can also destroy building. Okay, so you have to know how to do painting, where to paint and where not to paint, type of painting to be used and type not to be used. Not based on your history. You cannot just say, my father liked yellow color, then we will be building house and be painting all of them yellow. There are houses that are made not to be yellow. Then because your father liked yellow, then all houses will be yellow. And one important thing is that your father is no more alive, or the buildings they are developing are no more for your fathers. They are for younger generation, people who travel abroad. 40% of able youth have traveled abroad. All their visions and imaginations is no more as your father, including you who live in Nigeria who never traveled abroad. But believe me, 100% of all these people working with governors have all been abroad. 100. Both the children, the youth, everybody in governors compound, everybody in commissioners compound, everybody in all the advisors, they have all been abroad. You use something because maybe Namdaziki will say we must be painting everything green, or maybe Chinua say green is life, stuff like that. Then you begin to paint. No, oh my goodness, this is not good at all. Not good at all. They should avoid that green. Avoid it, especially in building. Other things, cool, but building, no. Building, totally no. See how beautiful this thing is looking. Don't you see it? This thing, see the color. Okay, imagine this color. Let them even choose this color. Okay, see this color together with this and see the similarity and see how beautiful they both look. I'm coming on. See this color, and I did not get it very well, but let me use this and this color. Are they not similar? Similar. Is there anybody who don't like Enugu State Presidential Hotel? 100% of Enugu person like Enugu State Presidential Hotel. Then you move from painting your building to look like Enugu Presidential Hotel into painting it to look like a farmhouse. Who does that? Into painting it to look like this. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. But my own is that I don't contribute. My own contribution is giving advice and making sure that things don't go wrong when there are people, like me, who can also talk. But also, it may go wrong based on the way I think it, but it may not also go wrong on their own way of thinking, okay? But in any way, the way they are painting it green is not going to be a good idea. So thank you very much for watching, and put it on the comment section. What do you think about this painting Enugu buildings green and sometimes using floor tile to finish buildings? I think this started from Onisha. Some of the people who started building estates in Onisha started using this maybe in something like that. But now nobody, you go to good estate, nobody will allow you to do this in his estate. A beautiful estate, you build it like golf estate, you put a floor tile inside. The owner of the estate will tell you, no, we don't build our house like this. Then, house that belongs to the government will come paint it green, and you say, no, this person that is designing this, let they stop giving that person contract. Let him work at the farm, because it shows that he will be a good farmer. He is a good farmer. Let they transfer him to Shongai Farm, Enugu. He's going to work very well, because Shongai Farm, if you check, their design is green and white. Believe me, this building even look like office of Shongai Farm if you look at it from outside. Shongai Farm? Yeah. But a building like this, you want to paint it like Shongai Farm? No. Because it will turn to a farm. See, you want to paint this place green. Green at the up. Man, something is wrong somewhere. Something is totally wrong somewhere. Believe me. So thank you very much for watching. I know it's that you'll be watching Price TV, and we will bring the update when it is gated painted green, and we will compare it how it will be if it had not been painted green. So we will still talk about it when they finish. So you will still come and see it. So maybe wait for my video tomorrow or next tomorrow. I will be very watchful to make sure that immediately the painting is going up, we will be comparing and we will see. Maybe they will defeat me. They will say, this guy thought green is not good. See, green is better. Shanghai farm is better than having a conference center. Okay, so we will see. Okay, better not that. I'm not talking about Shanghai farm because I know I love Shanghai farm better, because the design of Shanghai farm, it actually identify what green is all about. Shanghai farm, their logo is green and white because it is a farm. Shanghai farm is exactly like this. So when we finish this building, I will put the logo of a Shanghai farm, and you see that maybe it is the Shanghai farm director that is designing all this thing. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Okay.